Oh, the termite and destroying my paintings. Hi, I am LaCruz-Stannard. I have right now a very problem with space because Huracan Maria damaged my house. My house, as you can see, have a metal roof. And the problem is that before 2011, I collect toys and also a very unique piece of art, anthropomorphic art that's made by a Japanese bureido. That's unique in the planet. I am worried when they remove the roof because this floor is more higher and this more lower. All the rain that come in here is going to damage all the curio here, all this decoration. You can see it now. Here is I have my video games. I try to empty this room. It's not empty yet. My video games. I have my VCR tapes. That's the room where I have my computer. So I remove. This room is around now is a mess porque I'm removing everything. I discover clean here. I have timer here. Also eating the cardboards. So it's more urgent that I go out here. And the problem is that all the employees is going to remove the old roof and begin to put hydraulics. Cleaning and water is going to damage everything I have here. Here I have before the Huracan Maria destroyed wood storage. I have many stuff storage here. I have to put everything downstairs in another apartment. That's why I prepared for rental. I never did. So I moved everything downstairs. Even here, I have storage here and everything. So the roof, all the roof go out. The Huracan, you're gonna have my kitchen here. That's why I have my electric box here and the stufa oven here. Everything I put downstairs. I put everything in this apartment, all the boxes that's upstairs, I put it here. And you see, it's a lot of stuff. And this is not all. I have more boxes. A little expensive to put everything in boxes because I have to use plastic because of all the timers. Like this cover, I put in cardboard boxes. Let me show you. Everything I put in cardboard boxes, the timer destroyed everything. Destroyed the cardboard boxes. So it's more oriented. I move everything here, but so I put everything down here. Cardboard is going to get damaged anyway. I can try to fill more this room, but then I don't have a place to sleep. I have more boxes. The problem is, see, I do not recuperate the space I lost upstairs. I cannot put everything that I put down to upstairs again. So like, I don't know what to do. So when we're going to repair the roof upstairs, so I put everything downstairs. I do not have a place to stay because so many things going to be here. I don't know if it's possible to put everything downstairs. And the same I can say for when they finish to repair, see, I don't recuperate the lost space. I cannot put everything upstairs. I don't know what to do. I think I have to move. I don't know what to do. I think I have to move to a bigger house. I try to sell everything in eBay, the trash, to the garbage, the thing I don't need. Try to do space, but it's too much stuff. It's about 36 years of stuff. Well, thank you for hearing my problem, to hear me. It's not my native language, the English. I hope you can understand me. Thank you for everything.